Hello mga ka-chisflix! Mainit-init pa na issue ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon.
Viral ngayon sa social media ang isang Airbnb sa Gramercy Residence sa Makati na binaboy umano ng mga guest nito. Ito ang sinaad ng naturang Airbnb depit clearly ending our Hawe rule and Gramercy regulation. Hear what the Gwet did during their tie. Lied about the number of guests, claimed only 4, turned out to be 7, claimed the rest were just visitors who would only drink and leave. Pero sa totoo lang, 13 packs ang nasa unit. May excessive noise complaints from neighbors. Smoked inside the unit despite the no-smoking policy. Left behind cigarette butts and a strong lingering smell. Sobrang daming iniwang hugasan, leftover food, at nasirang pillowcases, beddings. Stole towels and golden figurine which the guests openly admitted na inuwi nila sa bahay. Treated the unit with complete disrespect. Used table decor as basahan, threw the mat in the trash. Iniwang sobrang dumi at dugyot ng unit. Failed to return the access card, putting our 3,000 building deposit at risk. Violated pool rules, 7 entered after being informed na bawal. Tinulungan pa namin silang kausapin yung PMO at security para ma-waive yung 10,000 piso na fine. When Gramercy security approached and informed them of the fine, they immediately packed up and left the property. Sent almost 50 messages in an hour. First apologizing and owning up to their actions, then suddenly turning hostile and spreading lies online. Continues to spam and harass Gramercy's staff with multiple emails daily despite them waiving his fines. My last straw threatened and cursed at us, including my team, and even wished harm on my children, which is completely unacceptable and inhumane. Who in their right mind apologizes, admits fault, then turns around to curse at us including my team, and wish harm on my children? Completely unacceptable and inhumane. That's not normal. That's pure malice. Ano sa tingin nyo mga ka-chisflix? Sobrang baboy nga ba ng ginawa ng mga ito, ng mga guest? Comment sa baba ang inyong opinyon. Subscribe para sa mga susunod na ulat at chismis. Chisflix sana!